Hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create checklist in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup interface by providing your username and password. From the dashboard area, I'll navigate into the navigation area and select spaces. Remember, checklists are the lowest level in the hierarchy when you're doing your projects. So I'll navigate into my project space. And from my project space, I have a task called video production. And inside the video production, I have tasks that are called recording new video. And if you look at this, I also have compartment where I can create other subtasks within the subtask that I have, or I can also create a to-do or a small checklist. So to enter a new checklist, I'll click on add from the to-do menu, click on checklist and type in the checklist that I would like to add. And here down, I can type in the checklist is call client, press enter. The other checklist is get feedback, enter, among many other checklists that you want to have. Remember, checklists are just guidance when you're doing a specific task in ClickUp. So to mark a checklist as complete, you click on the checklist option, the radio button that appears on the left segment of your ClickUp. And by selecting that, it will move into the completed section and process that checklist off. This also, a checklist can also be tagged in with an assignee. For instance, if I'm not the one to get feedback from a client, I'll select my team members to give the feedback to the client at the very same time. Remember, checklists are not so much interactive because they are not the end product of any task. They are more into guidelines that will help you to complete a specific task within ClickUp. Well, thank you for following along. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.